If you like cars, trucks, bikes, whatever, you need yourself a GoPro and a drone. And here's your chance to win. If you go to hardworkforce.com, every dollar you spend is 15 times to win this combo. Nice merch, very quality, and you get a chance to win the GoPro Hero 10 and the DJI SE Mini, which is fabulous for whoever is starting. This thing is gonna do whatever you need as far videos, and you also gonna get yourself the best merch in the market. So click in the link down below on top and get yourself a merch and a chance to win. Ooh, another cold day here in New Jersey. This is the last Vlogmas. I think we made it. So let's do a cold start on the big girl. Oh, I can't believe it. Dude, I think I need a new battery, to be honest. I'm starting thinking that I might need a new battery. Definitely a battery issue, so I don't know. I might need a new battery though. We'll see for the next few days. I don't remember. I didn't leave anything on. I don't know. Do you guys have any idea what can be? But anyway, I just want to talk about my last video. Yeah, my last video today. So I will take advantage of the truck. It needs to be running so the battery can recharge, and let's talk. And I think I have an issue with my e-brake too. Well, we did the Vlogmas, guys. You know, in the middle of all the mess of my 9 to 5, I posted almost every single day. And since tomorrow it's Christmas Eve, I don't want to post. I want to spend time with my family. And that's why I want to share with you guys about, you know, the channel going forward. I think this last year was like a learning curve, if you will, because I got really frustrated with YouTube, and I have to be honest with you. And if you are watching, I really appreciate it. Probably a lot of people from my channel not gonna watch this because people want to watch or either something that's crazy or something about the truck, which is a mod. So if you are watching this video, I really appreciate your support throughout the entire 2021. But I gotta, as I was saying, I gotta really frustrated, and I don't want to blame YouTube, you know what I'm saying? Like I'll take the blame on me that my channel didn't grow enough. You guys know I try to make the best video as possible. I try to be honest and real, show my life, but I don't know, something didn't trigger the YouTube algorithm. I don't know if my videos are not good enough, or maybe the way I communicate with the audience is not good enough. Besides all those things, I start to think, should I keep making YouTube videos in 2022? And you guys know I love this. I love the car stuff. I have a bunch of projects. But 2022, I want to do something different, because in 2021, I was rushing to post at least 2 videos a week. Sometimes I miss it. I took a break as well. But I think I was pretty spot on the videos that I post, and you know, and how consistent I was. And that didn't do anything. A lot of people say like, yeah, you should be consistent on your uploads. But I realized that the rushing to make a video just to make a video just don't do it, you know what I'm saying? It's like it's hard to get a title. It's hard to get every time you're getting like a mod, you know. I don't have enough funds to just throw all my money on YouTube on my cars. I wish I did. That's why I do the giveaways, to try to fund everything. But it's really hard to have every single video truck or car mod, you know what I'm saying, because that's not how real life works. So with everything said, and take a look at 2021, as I said, I was super frustrated. At some point I told my wife, I'm not doing this anymore, I'm just gonna do my mods, enjoy, go to car shows by myself, not carrying a camera, because I don't see the point. But again, it's not because I'm not growing, it's not because of the money, it's just like the time I was putting in, the editing is crazy, everything about it, it's crazy. What is gonna change for 2022? Not much though. You're still gonna see my life. You guys saw a bunch of projects that they are coming, either for the Colorado, for the Vet, and for the other truck that I'm getting. I want to do a more quality videos, so I don't think I'm gonna post that much, like as much as video, but when I post, I'm gonna try to make as good as possible, you know what I'm saying? If you don't know me yet, I'm the type of guy that I need to get done. Doesn't matter what, I need to get done as fast as I can, as quick as I can. So you imagine with my life right now, and you know, as I said, a kid, a wife, a house, a job, trying to put a YouTube on the middle of everything. It's like every half hour that I have open, I try to squeeze like a mod, or I either stay up late to do like I did the brake swap on the Colorado, or the can swap on the Vet. Those were like super late at night, and that made me rush to get videos done, you know what I'm saying? And I'm not sure if I enjoyed that much, because I was more like, okay, I need to get this done and I need to edit it, I don't have a video, and so on and so forth. So that kind of changed my perspective for next year. I want to do more quality videos. You guys still gonna see a bunch of vlogs, a bunch of stuff, but I wanna, when I do a mod, I wanna, you know, really get like, you know, get better in editing, getting better in getting the footage, getting better in communicating with you guys. I still learn. You guys know English is not my first language, so I really appreciate you guys staying by and you know, watch this weird guy talk with this heavy accent. But I think I can make better and more enjoyable content. That's why I'm not putting on YouTube, even though I think YouTube has a huge play on this. I see other channels not putting as much content as I do, but they are growing. So I think I have to think, what can I change to make this better, not what YouTube can change, right? So it's just a reflection. You know, since this last week was great, I love to make videos. If one day I get to do this for a living, why not? I don't see a problem. As of today, I don't see that's possible. As I said, YouTube revenue, it's not great, so I don't even count on that money. Everything that I make on YouTube goes back to YouTube in the form of mods or even giveaways. So I'm just want to say thank you so much if you watch the entire Vlogmas. I hope you really enjoy it. That was a really stretch for me. I left my comfort zone, but I love it. I love it to interact with you guys, all the comments. I think the views were great. I think I deliver a bunch of truck content because you guys have been asking for it, and I really miss, you know, spend time and mods on my truck. I really do. So that's why I decided to do, and we're gonna get all the things that I bought done on the truck. But I want to say thank you. I want to say thank you for you to spend time giving me every day, like 10-12 minutes of your day. Means the world to me. We're still gonna have the Maddie's Garage, the things I do, the Colorado, the Corvette, other truck, maybe another car, but we're gonna see a more, I would see maybe a longer and more quality video, as far as you know, how many, like, you know, how my content's gonna be. So this is what you can expect. Again, thanks so much. I hope you guys had a wonderful year. I'm not gonna post until 2022 now because I need to take a break. I need to close the giveaway. I need to spend time on that. I want to talk with the winner. I want to, you know, deliver the camera, the drone, and also the headlights if that person will enter on the bonus week. And then I'm gonna focus on the next upload, which might be or either the traction bar or the rear diff or the tow mirrors. I still don't know, but I want to do a really good quality video, install video. I know I'm repeating myself here, but hey, thank you so much. Enjoy your holidays, whatever you celebrate. Spend time with your family, because that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna spend time with my family, my boy, my wife, family coming over. And this is the last Vlogmas for 2021. I hope, crossing my fingers, that I can close the year with 8,000 subscribers. We are like 48, 49 subscribers away. It's a really stretch for a week. That's how YouTube works. It's really hard to get 50 subscribers in a week, but maybe we can do it. I'm not posting anything, but if you have a way to share this content so we can make it happen, that means the world to me. And I'm pretty excited for next year, though. As I said, I'm gonna leave my comfort zone, and I think I'm gonna deliver more good content for you guys, right? So again, thank you so much. I hope you guys really enjoy Vlogmas. Let me know in the comments below your thoughts on Vlogmas. And but I really enjoy, you know, answering and seeing the comments, and I'm looking forward for a new year, 2022, different experience for me, and we go from there, right? A lot of projects, though. A lot of projects you saw for the truck I just mentioned. For the Corvette, we have the wide body and also the wheels. I need to do this, you know, the new aero. We're gonna wrap the car. So a bunch of good content for you guys. I hope you guys stick around to watch. And as always, spend time with the ones you love, and always work hard for what you want, even though sometimes you don't see the result. Like I didn't see the result this year, but it's to keep you working hard, keep believing in yourself. Don't let anybody put you down. Don't run anybody's race. You want run your race. That's what I'm trying to do. That's why I think I need to get better. I will see you next upload, which is gonna be 2022. Never forget, enjoy your life and work hard for it.